Hello friends, today I'm going to show you the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. I know this is very late for this unboxing, but I got this device and I felt so love with this device that I forgot to make this video. So I have wrapped everything inside here and I would like to open this box again. And it is a re-unboxing and I would like to share you what we get with the Note 9 and what are the contents in the box. This particular model is the Note 9 512GB 8GB RAM model, and this is the brand color that was advertised everywhere. This is the coral blue one. So on the back of the box, as you can see, it is mentioned 512GB duos, Samsung Galaxy Note 9, and the features and everything like you might be knowing, but still I would like to share you with you again. Super speed dual pixel 12 megapixel optical image stabilization with f1.5 and 2.4. It is a mechanical aperture change with 12 megapixel optical image 2.4. This is the secondary camera. Super slow motion 8 megapixel front camera, iris scanner, S Pen. Without S Pen it is not a Note 9. We know all that. Stereo speakers tuned by AKG. My friends, recently you might be knowing that Samsung has bought the Harman Kardon company, and AKG is one of their subsidiary companies. They make good speakers. Like if you have ever used JBL or Harman Kardon speakers on your car or as a headphone or Bluetooth device, then you might be well known about the quality of sound they give. So the AKG Sounds make speakers for this particular model, and it has got 4000 mAh of battery, wireless charging pad is different. I will be sharing this video later on. Stay tuned with my channel. You will be seeing the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 fast charger coming up very soon. It is as usual IP68 water and dust resistance. So the Knox, I don't know how it is back. Sometimes earlier this year I got a message mail from Samsung that the Knox is getting discontinued, but still it is going on. It might be device to device. So here we go. As you can see, it is already broken. So here we get we get a small box. Here we get you need to open this like this. Just give me 1 second. So in here I have kept my bill here. We get a quick start guide. You can see we have the SIM opening tool. For that you need to just push it like this and you will get the SIM opening tool here. I haven't removed it at all. It is still there intact. And we get a quick start guide, as well as we get a case here. This is a silicone case, like a silicone rubber case. This is not like our iPhone 8 case, the silicone case. This feel is different and this feeling is different. It feels like the 100 rupees case that we get on the store. It's type of that. So let me keep this all aside. Here we get the phone itself here. So as you can see here, it is the coral blue or ocean blue color. I got this color because as you can see, only this color has the yellow pen. Rest all Note 9 gets the same color that is on the back of the device. So this is a different color of pen, so I wanted to be looked out a bit different, and that's why I got. Here you can see these are the two cameras we were talking about earlier. This camera has this one has the mechanical aperture change like 1.5. Now it is totally open, as you can see here. If I change the aperture there, then there will be a small shutter coming up and closing the area of the lens, and it will make it 2.4. This is by default 2.4 camera. There are two cameras in the back, and fingerprint sensor, as well as your S-Health sensors and everything. You get the front camera here, iris scanner here, and This is stereo speakers. Is one of the speakers is here, and one of the speakers is your earpiece. And as usual, Samsung, thank you very much to give the 3.5 HDMI headphone jack and also the USB-C charging port. So here we get one microphone here, and we get another microphone here for noise cancellation. There are two microphones in the device, and I hate this key, but still Samsung still, I don't know why they are pushing their Bixby. Everybody, why you're pushing all your own assistants? I don't know. If you're using Android, use Google Assistant. Don't use all that blah blah and blah. You should go with the stock assistant because those are very nice as compared to Bixby and everything. Here is the volume rocker. Here's the power button. So this costs 85,000 in India. It's quite heavy if I compare to my Pixel 3, or if I compare to my iPhone 8, then it's quite heavy. At first when I inserted the SIM in this device and I started using it, I felt it's really heavy. Wow, how much heavy is this device? So let's switch it on. The vibration motor has changed. This is the best vibration motor till now that I've found out in any of the Samsung devices. Any of the flagship devices, let me rephrase it, any of the flagship devices, this is the best vibration motor till now. You don't get any kind of vibration of your body or your glass or anything. As you can see, it has already been set up. It is my phone and I'm using it. So I might be seeing my name here. The fingerprint won't work here, so let me insert my pin here. So we are in. I have already updated it to Android 9.0. So let me show you. This is the Android 9.0 version. Android 9 with one UI version 1 with security patch of 1st Jan. I'm making this video on the month of Jan, so that's it. I hope Samsung will be sending security patches every month. So some of the changes have been done with the UI, and I like this one UI. The new icons are different, and also these shortcuts have given a bit thicker now, because earlier in the old version the shortcuts were a bit smaller and it was not easier to use it. Now what I will show you, this is an already used device. So this is what we get on Note 9, and display is really nice. If you like, then I can show you one of the video for the video quality. Camera quality is also really nice. I will show you some of the pictures that I have taken on this device. So here you can see this is a photo of an aircraft flying up in the sky. I have used the second 2x zoom as well as digital zoom, and you can see how clear the picture is. With the fuel dumping, the aircraft is dumping fuel. While dumping the fuel, aircraft looks like this. So this is one of the pictures that I've taken with this phone. And if you have seen my channel, then you might be knowing this is my thumbnail for my iPhone 8 review video. I have taken this picture with this camera. You can see how clear the camera is. I like the camera, really nice. I love it. So that's all about the phone and camera, and you will get lots of features here to use this on this phone, like the pen, S Pen and everything. That is Edge display because it is a Edge display. So this, I think this is the last phone of Samsung with full display, because I think in near future we are getting Infinity O, Infinity V, something like that. So I would like to stick up to this phone for a really long time, like another 1 year or 2 years, till we are getting the Android updates for this phone. Now we will dig inside what we get here. Let me put all this aside. So here we go. Here we get an adapter. This is a USB-C to USB-A adapter. This is used to install your phone or transferring the data from your old phone to the new phone. this is the fast charging adapter that we get in the box. Apple, take notes. Even Google Pixel gives fast charging in the box. As you can see here, this is the charging data cable. One side is USB-A and one side is USB-C. We get some, this is the pin to change your, I think some extra pins are here. Yes, this is the pencil head for the S Pen head. You can change with this pin. Some extra heads. These are the earbuds, like medium and large. Oh, this is the large and small. This is the AKG earphones. This is the $100 earphones that I was talking about. So I open this up. Let me keep this aside. We don't need this now. So what more in the box? Nothing else. This is what we get, my friends, with Galaxy Note 9. So phone, charger, data cable, extra earbuds, as well as your adapter, one pin to change your S Pen. I have forgotten about the S Pen. Let us keep this on top. One AKG earphones. So I have used this. I would like to share that these earphones doesn't provide that much of bass. These are kind of treble earphones. If you want to have some bass in your life, then I would suggest you to go with the old school Samsung earphones. These earphones connect with this old port 3.5 mm jack, but these give good amount of bass. I love them. I keep these around with me. I am using one, and this is another one new with me. You can see the model number here. So we get one quick start guide and a case. So this is what we get on a Samsung Galaxy Note 9. I think it looks like a mess, but Samsung gives a huge stuff. Thank you for watching, my friends. If you have any questions, you can ask below. I am very happy to help you out. Do subscribe the channel, and there are more videos coming up in the near future. If you have any kinds of suggestion, then do provide in the section. I would like to do that. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe. Bye bye.